It is time to stop waiting to buy, and it's time to start to buy and wait. If you have 15% down payment and you are thinking of waiting to save an extra 5% and buy after 2 years, I can show you with numbers that you are going to pay higher monthly payment than if you buy today. Equity will get you farther return than any stock market or high interest saving account ever will. Owning a home protects you against inflation because property value and rental income will only increase with time. There are endless tax benefits that you are missing out on while waiting. You can leverage your mortgage interest and building depreciation to lower your overall tax liability. The best time to buy a home was 20 years ago, and the second best time to buy a home is right now. Stop waiting and let's get connected to start building your real estate portfolio right now.